Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Bright Futures for your bright future. This is your trader friend helping you learn stock trading. So today's topic is candlestick. You must have wondered why is this green and what is this candlestick? What does this red symbolize? What is open, close? Today, after this video, you'll be able to answer all these questions. I'll explain you with the help of an example. Let's take the stock of SPI, alright, and regard each candle as a 1 minute candle. Now there are different time frames. There's 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minutes, 15, 30, 1 day, 1 week, and even monthly. So irrespective of the time frame, the logic remains the same. So now the price of SBI at 9:15 a.m. 9:15, it opens at 108. All right. So the price opens at 9:15, 1 second at 108, and within this minute it goes up till 112. For example, this is the high, and then within the same minute it comes down till 107 and then closes at 111. Now, if the open is below the close or if the close is above the open, this will be green in color, which symbolizes the trend is upwards or it is bullish in nature. The green symbolizes it is bullish in nature, as in within 1 minute or whatever that time frame is, the price has gone up. Okay, this is called the body, the solid part is called the body, and this line is called the wick. This is the lowest, this is the open, this is the close, and this is the high. Now at 9:15 and 59 seconds, the price of SBI is 111. Now at 9:16, the price is suppose 111 here. Okay, 9:16. Now the price goes down. It goes down till 107 within the same minute, again comes up till 112, and it closes at here 108. Okay, closes as in 9:16 and 59 seconds, the price is 108. Now since the close is below the open price, hence it is red in color, which symbolizes it is bearish in nature, as in the trend is downwards, or within that time frame the price has gone down. Okay, so this is the basic logic behind a candlestick. Now let's look into a chart and get a better understanding. We're taking Nifty 50 and and on a daily chart frame. All right, we can take monthly, weekly, hourly, 5 minutes, but let's take daily. The logic remains same. Now daily, on your x-axis is your date and on your y-axis is your price. Okay, now this second last candle, let's see, or this is a big candle here, so let's study this. On 4th of June, let's see, since it is red, so the open is here, right? The open is 50,663. Now the price at the open is highest, so the price has only gone down from here. There's no wick here. Okay, now the price goes down till here, 46,197, and closes as in on 4th of June 3:30, the price is 46,931. So the open price is here and closes here. And the next day, that is the 5th of June, the price opens here at 47,481, goes up till here this week, or goes down till here within the same day and closes at 49,052. So this is how we read candlesticks. I hope you have a better understanding now. There's a complete video on candlestick patterns. If you're interested, you can check out the video. I'll share the link in my description. So you can also create uh, Demat account using my link. I've tried multiple trading accounts and Demat accounts I've tried Upstocks, Share Khan, I've tried Angel Broking, but I've always preferred Zerodha. This is the simplest, most reliable, and most secured Demat trading account. So if you wish to open a trading account in Zerodha, you can use my link and uh, get started with trading. Thanks, and see you in the next video.